Little bird must be eating them fish up in underneath the weeds. That's pretty much where we left him on our way down to the 1 mile bench, with his head buried up in those bushes. Hey, little bird. He was right up in that bush. In fact, I thought it was trash when we came back, but it was just his butt sticking out from behind the bush. Is there a nest or something in there? No, there'd be 2 of them hanging around. Maybe he's got a barbecue grill in there and he's grilling his fish because he's tired of eating them raw. Who knows? There goes one of the duck cousins, and he's a hauling ass. He came from down there, came so fast I could hardly get the camera turned on. He was boogity-boogiting. That could mean halt. Time to get out of Dodge. What is that? That's a damn snake. What kind of snake? It's all balled up. Or is that a crab? Damn, I should bring binoculars. That is definitely a critter. It looks like a snake. Looks like a snake that maybe caught something. You watch it. Kind of coils. Yeah, he done caught something. He's eating it. That's like a mouse or something. I saw the tail go. Well, that's pretty interesting. Second snake of the year, and it's eating something. I can't tell anything about They might be mating. I don't know what time of the year snakes mate. I thought they mated in the fall. Laid the eggs in the spring. Well, there goes another one of those guys. Well, whatever that is, they're entwined. They are wrapped around. Ever so often you see the head move. Something orange. It's got to be eating something. He sure ain't moving while he's wrapped around it. And I can't tell what kind of snake it is either. Got like a dark brown or gray with, there you see the legs moving. There's that or the other end of it. Well, it's going to be a mystery. There he goes. Oh, the snake goes all the way up underneath that. Maybe that's another snake caught another snake. Half of one of them's underwater. They might be mating. I'm going to call it mating. Well, they're not thrashing around enough to be eating. I'll be danged. Snake sex on YouTube. There's those minnows. One of them swimming around. About 4 inches long. This is where that path from Sawmill Creek comes out. That one guy I was talking with the day we found that cemetery. I'm actually on the road that the cemetery comes on. And I don't know if you can see, back there in the mirror. That's Pineland Cemetery, that old cemetery, and the road ends at the cemetery, and so you can actually follow that path down and get on Sawmill Creek. So I bet there's a way to go down to the creek, walk down probably towards Gahagan, and then come back up Gahagan just before Gahagan, or just on the other side, and come back around Gahagan Park and come back down to this spot. Although that seems like a lot of trouble. Okay, just wanted to see I wanted to find the end of this trail, because I've been up the other side for a little ways, and he told me that it came all the way through to this road.